I'm switching to more sustainable decor, and this is what I bought. First up, I got these organic rock-inspired candles. Each one is uniquely crafted to resemble natural mineral. These natural beauties bring a touch of nature's elegance to any space. Next up, I got these herbal candles, made with herbs and essential oils that fill the air with calming scents. They're absolutely stunning and they burn perfectly. And finally, I got these hand-woven placemats. Made with love and care, they've been carefully handcrafted using natural fibres and organic materials, making them long-lasting. They're super easy to clean, and I'm generally in love with all my purchases from my chakra home.